What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Shiba Inu, which has bumped up 15% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, early hours of today is when it started pumping in value. Yes, it did hit a higher amount. Right now it has taken a little dip, so we're going to be going through, is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Is it a good investment going into 2023? And also looking at how high can this crypto go this year, looking at is it worth buying it, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, with Bitcoin finally targeting $21,000 after a good couple of months, which is good to see. And we've got Shiba Inu as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. As you can see, in the last hour it has dropped just about a percentage. Over the last day, 14% up. Over the week, 34%. It's been climbing at a slow and steady pace over the last week or so, but today it's had a major peak in value, and over the month is an overall 40% up, guys. And as you can see, since the 1st of January 2023, it has been gaining value quite consistently with very minimal dips here and there. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 230% in the last 24 hours, making it $922 million in trading, nearly hitting that $1 billion mark, which is absolutely insane. We're seeing a lot more people investing into the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people investing into the crypto, as well as a lot of people selling it, taking out their profits, and potentially reinvesting into it whenever it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Shiba Inu here in purple. However, it is trading at much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we see? We do see blue and the orange line both heading towards the bearish direction, looking quite negative, and they are looking quite steep as well. And again, whenever you see a steep line either going in a bullish or bearish direction, it means it's not realistic. So even though, yes, I'm expecting Shiba Inu to take a little drop in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so let's say by the end of the day we should see it. I'm expecting it to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment here in green. I'm not expecting a major drop or a major crash or anything like that. What I am expecting is more bull runs over the coming 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, and then for it to slowly start to drop down in value. So the overall outcome towards the end of the day today, it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now moving on to the hourly chart, what do we have here? We've got both the lines, the blue and the orange line, going the opposite direction to each other. We've got the blue line looking negative and the orange line looking positive. So guys, an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Shiba Inu over the coming days. So let's say over the next week or so. So by mid next week, I'm expecting Shiba Inu to be trading around its current price range that it's trading at the moment. And again, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently staying at its current price range. Of course not. We are going to see a peak, we are going to see a drop as well. It's going to be quite volatile. It's going to be up and down, just like how it's been over the last 2 weeks. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so fluctuating at its current price range over the next 7 to 8 days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking much more bullish, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Shiba Inu over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March 2023. I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Shiba Inu. And again, it's been performing very well over the last 2.5 weeks, and I'm expecting it to carry on that way over the next few weeks and months as well. So we should be able to see an increase in value quite a bit over the next 2.5 months. So again, it's all about the timing, guys. As long as you give it time, it should be able to gain value. And if the crypto market moves like 2021, then yes, we may see major increases. However, if we do see a major crash or a major bull run or a price bump, then yes, it will have a major impact in a positive or negative way on the value of Shiba Inu and most cryptocurrencies out there as well. But anything like that, I will try and keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far is looking good for Shiba Inu for the next couple of weeks as well. And again, for the short-term traders out there who are in and out of Shiba Inu or cryptocurrency in general, I wouldn't recommend investing into it right now, only because I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming 12 to 14 hours, as I mentioned earlier. But again, it's entirely up to you guys. Again, as I mentioned, this is no financial advice. If you feel like it's a good time to get into it, then go for it. But again, personally, I wouldn't do it for the short term. But if it was for the long term hold, like, I never do short term trading when it comes to crypto, because of how volatile it is, and any small news that come across can have a major impact on the value of the crypto market in general. So I tend to stick to the long term hold, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. But again, I do own some Shiba Inu as well. I bought it a long time ago. I haven't bought any recently, but all I'm doing right now is just holding on to it. I'm not buying more at the moment, but if it does take a major drop, then yes, I'll be looking into that stuff. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Shiba Inu. Let's get the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are currently trading in the red zone, but we are getting closer and closer to hitting the green zone day by day, guys. As you can see, we're getting closer and closer, and we have to hit this target here on the side, as you can see, to hit the resistance target, which I am expecting Shiba Inu to hit by mid-year. We should be trading around this target here, and towards the end of the year or the second half of the year, we should be trading in the green zone, depending on how the market conditions are. But yeah, so far is looking good for Shiba Inu, guys. What I want you guys to do in the comment section down below is let me know how high are you guys expecting Shiba Inu to hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I've seen a lot of people saying the 1 cent target, but for that to take place, it has to get rid of 2 zeros, which I'm not expecting in 2023, guys. So the 1 cent target is pushing it a little bit, but maybe 0.0001 should be possible. But again, the 1 cent target, hopefully next year we should be able to hit that, but not in 2023 as so far. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. So make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as it doesn't cost you anything to do that, guys. So it will mean a lot if you guys can please hit that subscribe button. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.